different groups of students who have been working outside of the school time in different competitions and different activities, and we want to recognize those students as well.
So a couple months ago, Ms. Floyd sent us a message about a contest with the PECO video for this cheer. And I listened to the cheer and I showed it to the kids, and I thought, you know, before we've done some stop motion videos and you can make some really cool things happen that you can't make happen in real life or with your own faces. So I said, you know the stop motion app, here's the cheer. And from there, they just came up with idea for each line. We made a chart and they broke down sharing ideas with each other, picking their favorites.
Smell rotten eggs. Shoot, run. Flee. Gas leaks are no good for me. If you smell gas, it's time to go. Leave the scene and call PECO. 1-800-841-4141.
I think just the smiles on the executive faces when they were judging and comparing, and it was short and sweet, and it gave you the call to action. Call 1-800-841-4141 if you smell gas. And that's, you know, and the kids were chanting, scoot, run, flee. That's everything we want you to walk away with. So sometimes simplicity works best.
The energy level was like way off the charts than it usually is. And it was pretty crazy because like it just came out of the blue. It was a normal school year, like a little bit past the middle. And Miss Connolly, just one of our classes, just says, you guys are gonna do this, and the grand prize is $5,000. So we kind of like freaked out. It was like all over the place. We didn't know what to do. We got the Play-Doh idea. We thought that was good until it started drying out when we were taking too long and it started cracking up. So that also kind of had us freaked out. So a lot of things to freak us out.
It was really fun because we could kind of like express our imagination. Like we didn't have a set thing we had to make. It just had to go with a song. So we could kind of make whatever we want. We could have like little people in it. We could make a lot, and we could basically do anything with the letters. Like we could make it pop out and go back together, or we could just make it explode. And we could like show our imagination. It was a very fun project.
How it came together at the end, because in the beginning, to us, because we weren't watching the video before, it looked like slow motion, okay, pieces at once, like not all fast together. It felt really good because a lot of times here we do it. Sometimes like the school or other classes would know, like nothing like really big like this, and it felt really good, like because we worked as a team and we knew we earned that because we worked really hard on it.
It was challenging and it took a long time. But in the end, it turned out amazing.
Oh my God. One of the highlights of my year was getting to go tell those kids they won. Because first of all, it meant they stopped asking me every 5 seconds if I heard. But they were so proud of what they did, and they really just wanted to know if it paid off, and they got that pizza party I had also promised them. And these kids worked really hard, and they deserve all the cheers, and the smiles on their faces were so much fun that day.
Grasse, let's have one giant big cheer round of applause for them again.
It's special because sometimes the classes are too easy. So it's like good, like it feels cool. It feels good to know that these classes are for kids like us.